Hi everyone, welcome to Sravanthi Academy. Let's understand mathematics. Next, before going to exercise 5D, we have to learn nature of the roots. How many nature of the roots? How to find out that nature of the roots? We have to find out. We have general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This already we know. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This value we find out in formula method. Here discriminant, there are three types of discriminant values. Here d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Means roots are equal. Real and equal it will come. Real and equal. Next d is equal to b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal roots or distinct roots. D is equal to b square minus 4ac less than 0 means d values negatives will come. That time imaginary roots will come. Imaginary roots. These three conditions we can use and we will solve exercise 5D. Next exercise 5D. First main, choose the correct answers. A problem 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 has. Here discriminant we have to find out. Depends upon discriminant only. We have to find out that is real roots are unequal roots are and imaginary roots are. We can find out. Here d is equal to, what is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. What is the b value here? Minus 3 whole square. 4 into a value is 2, c value is 1. Here 3 3 is 9 minus 4 2 is 8. 9 minus 1, 8. Here d greater than 0. D greater than 0 means roots are real and unequal roots. Or next, first main B problem. Which of the following equations have two real and distinct roots? Two real and distinct roots, when it will come? D greater than 0 it will come. D means discriminant. Discriminant greater than 0 means that roots are two real and distinct roots. We can check here. Here D is equal to B square minus 4AC. B value is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into A value is 1, C value is 6. Here 25 minus 24. 1 it will come. 1 is greater than 0. This is two real and distinct roots. Here also we have to check B square minus 4AC. Here minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6. Here 9 minus 24. Negative number is coming. So this is imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. Here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D equal to minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Here 4 minus 20. Here also negative value is coming. Here imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. Here d is equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6. Here 6 4 4 is 16 minus 24. This is also imaginary roots will come. Here imaginary roots. Which one is correct? Our option 1 is correct. Here next C problem. X square minus px plus 4 equal to 0. Equation they have given. If roots are equal. Equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0 it will come. Find the p. So discriminant 0 we have to take. We will find out p value. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here discriminant d is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0 it will come. Here b value is minus p whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is 4 equal to 0. Here p square 4 4 is 16. Here 16 we have to shift right side. P square is equal to plus 16. P is equal to plus or minus root 16 it will come. P is equal to plus or minus 4. This is the p-value. Next, D problem. Which of the following equations have imaginary roots? Imaginary roots means what we can say discriminant value is less than 0, it will come. So first each problem we have to check discriminant how much. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. This is the formula. Here all ABC values substitute in this formula. Here 10 whole square minus 4 of A value 1, C value is minus 3. Here 10 times 100, minus into minus plus 4 3 is 12. Here 1 1 2. This is greater than 0. Real and unequal roots. Unequal roots. Next, D is equal to B square minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 9. Here 25 minus 4 2 is 8. 8 9 is 72. Here 70 minus value it will come. Here 72 25. 7. Here 6 minus 2 4 minus 47. Imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. Remaining 2 also we will check. Here D is equal to 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4. 25 minus 16. Here 9 it will come. This is greater than 0. Real and unequal roots. Here D is equal to B square minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 5 into minus 1. 64 minus into minus plus 4 5 is 20. Here 84 greater than 0. This is also real and unequal roots. This is also real and unequal roots. What is our option is second option is the correct. Next, E problem. One root of the equation is 1. So x value they have given 1. Total how many roots it will come in quadratic equation? 2 roots will come. One root already they have given 1. So x value is 1. Find m value. Here x value we have to substitute. M value we will get 3x square minus mx plus 4 equal to 0. X value is 1. 3 of 1 square minus m of 1 plus 4 equal to 0. 3 into 1 square 3 minus m into 1 m plus 4 equal to 0. 3 plus 4 7 minus m is equal to 0. M we have to shift right side. M is equal to 7. This is m value. Next, second main, without solving these problems, find the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots, how to find out? Discriminant value we know means nature of the roots we can say. How to find out nature of the roots? Discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Here B value how much? Minus 9 whole square minus 4 into A value is 7. Here C value is 2. Here 9 9 just 81 minus 7 4 just 28, 28 2 just here 2 8 just 16, 2 2 just 4 5 56. Here 81 minus 56. Here 11 minus 6 5. 7 minus 5 2 25. This is positive greater than 0. D greater than 0 means what type of roots will come? Roots are real and unequal roots. Next, second problem. Here D is equal to B square minus 4AC. B value is minus 13 whole square minus 4 into A value is 6. C value is 4. Here 13 just 169 minus here 4 4 just 6 4 6 just 24 4 4 4 just 16 4 2 just 8 9 96. Here 169 minus 96. 169 minus 96. Here 3 it will come. Here 16 minus 9. Here 7 it will come. Satya Afchi. Problem wrong. 73 greater than 0. This is also greater than 0. So real and roots are real and unequal roots. Unequal roots. Next D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Here minus 10 whole square minus 4 into 25 into 1. Here 10 times 100 minus 25 4 100. Here plus 100 minus 100 cancel 0. D is equal. Discriminant 0 means equal and real roots. Roots are real and equal. Next, D is equal to B square minus 4AC. B value is 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 into A value is 1, C value is minus 9. Here 2 root 3 whole square. 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. Multiply 2 2 ja 4. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. Square root cancel 4 into 3. 4 3 ja 12 it will come. So this full value is 12. Minus into minus plus 4 9 ja 36. Here 8 48 greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal roots. Next, third main, the equation 3x square minus 12x plus n minus 1 n minus 5 equal to 0 has real roots. Real roots they have given. So discriminant value is equal to 0. Here find n value. Here D is equal to 0 they have given. D is equal to what is the formula? B square minus 4AC. D value 0 we have to substitute. B square minus 4AC. What is A, B, C values that we have to substitute in this formula? Here B square minus 4AC equal to 0. B value is minus 12 whole square minus 4 into A value is 3. C value is n minus 5 equal to 0. Here 12 12 just 144 minus 4 3 12 into n minus 5 equal to 0. Here 144 we have to shift right side. 12 of n minus 5 is equal to 144. 12 1 just 12 12 just. Here n minus 5 is equal to 12. 5 we have to shift right side. N is equal to 12 plus 5. N is equal to 17. Next, fourth main, find m value. Equation has equal roots. Equal roots mean discriminant value is equal to 0. Here A is equal to m minus 2. B is equal to minus of 5 plus m. Here C is equal to 16. Discriminant means D equal to 0. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. D value 0. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. 4AC we have to shift right side. B square is equal to 4AC. Substitute all these three values in this formula. Here minus of 5 plus m whole square equal to 4 into A value is m minus 2. C value is 16. Here 5 plus m whole square. 5 plus m whole square is equal to 16 4 just 64 m minus 2. A plus b whole square formula we have to apply. Here 25 plus m square minus 5 2 10 m equal to 64 m minus 64 2 just 8 128. These two terms also we have to shift left side. M square plus 10m plus 25 minus 64m plus 128 equal to 0. Here m square term plus m terms. Here minus 54m. Here 25 plus 128. Here 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 13. Here 4 5 1 153 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means we have to roots. M value we will get. Here m square minus 54m plus 153 equal to 0. Here first term into last term. 153. Product is 153. Sum is minus 54. 54 3 just here 153 3 5 just 3 1 just 51 3 just 51 3 just here minus 54 we want, so minus 51 minus 3 m square minus 51m minus 3m plus 153 equal to 0. First two terms, what is the common? M is the common, m minus 51. Next two terms, minus 3 is the common, m minus 51 equal to 0. Here m minus 51, here m minus 3 equal to 0. M minus 51 equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. M is equal to 51 or m is equal to 3 we will get. Here find k value. Roots are distinct and real. Distinct and real means discriminant value is greater than 0, it will come. Here d is greater than 0. D means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it will come. Here ABC value we have to substitute in this formula. B value is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into A value is 3, C value is k greater than 0. Here 6 is the 36 minus 12k is greater than 0. Here 36 we have to shift right side, minus 12k greater than minus 36. Both sides we have to multiply minus. Minus multiplying means inside in between sign we have to change. Means reverse order it will come. Minus of minus 12k is greater less than minus of minus 36. Here 12k less than 36. 12 we have to shift right side. K is less than 36 by 12. 12 1 ja, 12 3 ja. K less than 3 it will come. Next, sixth main, given that 2 is root of the equation. This equation, 2 roots it will come. One root they have given, one more root. Here, one more root not. P value we have to find out first. Here, x is equal to 2 they have given. Substitute in this equation. 3x square minus p of x plus 1 equal to 0. Here x value is 2. 3 of 2 whole square minus p of 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Here 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Minus 2 plus 1, 3, 3p it will come. 3p we have to shift right side. 3p is equal to 12. Here p is equal to 12 by 3. So P is equal to 3 1 ja 3 4 just. P value 4 we got. Now we have to substitute P value 4 in this equation. This equation has a equal roots. Equal roots means discriminant value equal to 0. Find P and Q. P value already we got. We will get Q value. Here Px square minus Qx plus 9 equal to 0. A is equal to P. B is equal to minus Q, C is equal to 9. Here D is equal to 0 because equal roots. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Here B value is minus Q whole square minus 4 into A value is P. C value is 9 equal to 0. Here Q square, here 4 9 just 36, P equal to 0. Here Q square minus 36 of P value how much? 4. 0. Q square minus here 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12, 4. Q square is equal to minus 144, shift right side 144. Q is equal to square shifting right side plus or minus root 144. Q is equal to plus or minus 12 it will come.